In this video, you will learn how to use the My Account feature in our catalog to view your checkouts, holds, and any fines you may have, plus view and edit personal information attached to your library account, change your PIN, and set up your preferences. To begin, you will need to open a web browser and visit the library website at www.fresnolibrary.org. Internet Explorer is not recommended. Once you've reached our website, navigate to the library catalog. You can do this a few different ways. You can hover over or click on the MyFCPL drop-down menu and select My Account or Catalog, or you can click the catalog link in the Browse drop-down menu. Next, go to the My Account link in the menu at the top right of the screen and click on it. Enter your library card barcode and PIN in the window that pops up. If you are already logged into the catalog, you will not be prompted to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be able to toggle between the various tabs to see and in some cases edit information related to your account. You can also see a brief overview of your checkouts, holds, and fines in this box to the right of the screen. Be sure to keep your contact information and preferences updated so that the library can notify you when items you've requested are available for pickup or when due dates for checked out items are approaching. In the Personal Information tab, you can change name, email, phone number, your PIN, preferences for My Account navigation, and library notifications. You can see your checkouts by going to the Checkouts tab. If you would like to renew your checkout of an item, check the box next to it, and then click the Renew button. You can also renew multiple items at the same time. Additionally, you can view information about your fines and alerts related to your account in the Fines and Additional Information tabs. This has been an introduction to using the My Account feature in the library catalog. If you would like more information or need assistance, please call 600-7323 or contact your local branch librarian. They'll be happy to help.